Hello, I'm Richard Hooper and this is Sat TV Week. Now I'm pleased to be joined by Sarah Parker, SSTL's Managing Director. Sarah, thank you for joining us today. Now this is a very important day for you because it's the Quantum satellite and it's moving out of here and off to Toulouse. Tell me about SSTL's involvement in Quantum.
Yes, it's a very exciting day today. So we're preparing for the shipment of the platform for Quantum down to Toulouse for integration with the payload. And SSTL's involvement has been the building of the platform here.
Now, you talk about, a matter of fact, you've been building the platform, but it's a little bit more complex than that, and there's an innovative technology that is going into this. Can you explain it a little bit more?
Yeah, I mean, it's not just the innovative technology. It's really exciting for SSTL because this is our first ever geostationary platform. We've built 60 satellites that have gone into low Earth orbit. We've built one that's gone into MEO, and this is our first one that's going to go into GEO. So it's a huge step forward for us. And some of the key developments that we've done on the platform have been the new momentum wheels, the propulsion system, the gyro, and the payload interface unit have been the major developments.
Now, for this new satellite, have you had to make any changes to your manufacturing platform?
Yes, I mean, the main thing that we've had to change is to change our processes for how we do things, because it's been a joint collaborative program between ESA, Airbus and EUTELSAT, and so we have had to adapt our processes in order to deliver it to the quality standards that those three customers demand.
Now, do you think this is going to be the start of SSTL being involved more in this type of satellite?
Absolutely. This is our first step into the telecom market. We've invested heavily into the program ourselves, and we're looking forward to doing more in the telecom market in the next few years.
Now, the ultimate customer, EUTELSAT, talks about handing over the satellite to its customers, giving them the joystick. What's your view on that? Do you think this is the way of the future?
Absolutely. I mean, it's what we do here at SSTL, is that we, with our low Earth orbit satellites, we train up our customers and then hand over controls to them. So yes, it's absolutely normal business practice for us.